Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to send large files through Google Drive. Now from this point forward I'm going to show you that we are now in our Gmail and we can go ahead and start composing this time. And yeah, the reason why I'm doing this is because we can go ahead and send this to that particular person using an email. So I'm just going to go ahead and say, for example, a subject is video, and then from here I'm going to go ahead and click attach files here and then locate that video. Now, as you can see, the file size for this is 5 gigabytes. Now, if I click open, it's gonna upload itself to Google Drive. So it'll be sent as a Google Drive link as mentioned here. Now, the next thing that we are going to do is just wait for this one to be done. All right, there you go. So you now have the video here attached. You can go ahead and start clicking the send button right here, and you can see that it's going to ask you who needs to access this one. So it's this person here or who I'm sending, and then I can go ahead and then change the access from viewer, commenter, or editor. So yeah, viewer for now is what I'm going to do, and then click the send button right here. And yeah, from that point forward, you can go ahead and check that particular email and you should be able to see that this has been sent. And that, everybody, is how you're going to send large files through Google Drive.